Hello, and thank you for joining me. My name is Ken Stone. I'm one of your customer success coaches here at Bright MLS. And today I would like to talk to you about how to set up and how to utilize our new favorite searches and carts menu. We're going to first, of course, by logging into Bright MLS, from the login.brightmls.com/login. Of course, this tool is going to be very helpful for all of our agents who need access to their consistent searches and carts information for their clients at a ready glance. That, of course, is available right from the main workspace on the quick links right here. It's going to be the fifth one across on the right. This is also located underneath our clients menu dropdown and carts and favorite searches. We click on that, we'll be presented with a widget screen where we can see all of our currently elected widgets. To edit these widgets, you will want to go into the Edit Carts and Favorite Searches option here on the right-hand side. And now we are presented with the different options we are allowed to utilize within this menu. Now, inside this menu, these options are able to be turned on just by clicking the switch. As we can see that the My Listings has populated in the screen now for me. I can actually go through and move these widgets to customize my home screen, and they are updated in time. So if I want to have my market watch next to my hot sheets, I can do so with my favorite searches and carts, concierge, and maybe my listings at the very top, depending on how my business is formatted. Once we have these set up the way we want to, we can close the little chevron key and we can see all those widgets are available for us on the main screen. Now, I do want to point out that the news feed is available for you. You can open this up to get access to your news feed from settings, and you can see these are the options for our client notifications from the portal. We have their visits portal, saves a favorite, removes a favorite, possibilities, discards, adds notes, and then visits their portal for the first time. And even when they save a new search, you can toggle these on from the actual toggles here and just click save. We can always reload that with the reload button. Also here to customize that timeline again, just can close that chevron key again. Now, if we want to go in and make an edit, we can easily view these. To view our hot sheets or coming soons, we can choose our property types, time frame, and then view the statuses in which we want to view within our market that we've already selected, which we can go in and customize and edit with the customize gear icon. And it takes us into our familiar page where we can edit our market watch. We can do the same with our hot sheets and viewing the time frame and then choosing the hot sheet. We can also go in and view our favorite searches. We can refresh these searches right from the main refresh button at the top. We can see that we have some new listings that we can go in and review for our searches. We can do the same thing with our carts. And if we click on all carts, will bring us into our carts menu. This is where we, of course, can go in and edit. Maybe with this client, the search is no longer relevant. We can go through, click the little drop-down menu. We can do a reset on the settings, view the results, or we can delete this no longer needed cart. We can also go into our cart directly, go into the results, and review those results available for us under that cart, and even edit those cart items. We can see that that has been updated. These are some ways that we can best utilize our actual carts and favorites and give us access to the information we need on a daily basis. I do hope that you found this information helpful. If you do wish to learn more about this or any other topic, I do recommend coming under education, reviewing one of our webinars, see if we have an association training coming up that would be relevant, or even connect with a coach. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for joining me.